everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni from Super School and this is my another video from the vocabulary series. Yes, vocabulary is the most important part of English language learning because if you want to express yourself in any way in the written format or while you're speaking, you need to know words or else you'll never be able to achieve fluency. Right? And the speed of your speech delivery would never ever increase if you don't learn new words. So learning new words are very important. Now, the three words that I have picked today is bolster, boost, brawl. The first word, bolster, means to support or strengthen or fortify something. So it's a verb. In a sentence, it will be used as a verb. So let's see the sentence for understanding better. Now, the sentence is, if we work together, then we will be able to bolster the couch firmly. So, which means that if we are working together, then we'll be able to move the couch or support the couch and place it firmly. So it's like, for example, when you are changing your house and you have to lift up heavy furnitures. At that time you cannot do it alone and you need people to do it, and you are living abroad and you have to speak in English with the people who have come in your house to help you out. So you can give them this sort of instruction. Now, if we work together, then we will be able to bolster the couch firmly. We will be able to support the couch firmly, or you can use it in any other setting. So let me know in the comment section below. Write new words with the sentences that I discuss in the video so that I'll be able to learn from you as well. Now, let's move on to the second word, which is boost. Boost is a common word, but it has two meanings. One is noun, one is verb. So as a noun, it means an increase or growth. So let's see an example. The boost in profits was a welcome change. That means an increase in profit was a welcome change. So without just using increase, you can use boost. So while you are writing in your IELTS writing test, the task 1 in where you have to write reports, you can use this word boost. Because often you have to kind of talk about or write a report about pie charts or line graphs or bar graphs where you have to explain the increase or decrease. So at that time you can use this type of this type of words. So now as a verb, how can you use it? As a verb, it means to increase or make grow. So it's the same meaning but different parts of speech. So the use of this word is different because of the parts of speech. So in order to boost profits, you need to cater your customer. Or in order to boost profits, you need to take care of your customer. So you can use it as a verb like this. Now let's move on to the third word, which is brawl. So brawl means an intense, loud fight. So it can be used as a noun and also as a verb as well. The meaning is same, but of course the parts of speech is different. So the setting in the sentence will be different. So brawl means an intense fight, and as a noun it can be used like this. A brawl broke out at school today after one student accused another of cheating. It's a common situation and you can relate to it. In a school, when someone complains, not even in school, in university also, if you go and complain to your teacher that someone is cheating back there, then that person will definitely break out brawl with you. Yeah? So now let's use it as a verb. The two students brawled for an hour. So definitely that person against whom you complained will definitely brawl for an hour if he or she gets a 0 in the midterm. Definitely. So I believe you'll be able to relate and use these words that I'm discussing in the video in your daily life. So let me know in the comment section below if my videos are helping you out to motivate me to make new videos for you every day. Now, you have to like and subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends and family so that I can have more and more subscribers and I can think of new ways to teach English and make it a fun session rather than a learning session. So, sometimes it's fun to learn an interactive skill if it's brought in a different or unique way that I try to do with each and every single video that I'm making. I'm trying to not teach but instruct you in such a way so that you can have fun and also learn in the most relatable way possible, because knowledge is of no use if you cannot put it to use or if you cannot share it with others, right? So please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow my Facebook page. Thank you so much.